Children, let's we learn main course book in standard 4 English medium. Chapter number 11, tables and set. You know about table and you know about set. Set means you have a thing and you are equally distribute this thing to another students. That means it is called sharing. Tables you know about tables. So in this chapter number 11, tables and share, page number 120, Samaya's garden. Here Samaya's garden. Samaya has planted sunflower, rose and marigold in their garden. In her garden, she has planted them in 3 flower bed. Her garden look like this. Each flower bed has different arrangement. See how the rose plant are planted. So here rose plant, then marigold and sunflower. First she arrange the rose plant. 18 is equal to 6 multiply 3. 6 multiply 3. Rose plant arrange this type. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Here 6 rows make and 1 row having 3 plants. 1 row having 3 rows plant. She planted 1 row having 3 plants. There she make 6 rows. Now marigold also 18 plant. Now we find. So we are arranging another way. 9 multiply 2. So 9. In 9 row, how many rows make? 9 rows. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 9 rows and 1 row having 2 plants. 1 row having 2 plants and another one is 2 multiply 9. 2 rows make and 1 row having 9 plants. Now sunflower we are arranging 3 multiply 6. So 3 6 are 18. 3 6 are 18. So how many rows are made? Here 3 rows are made and 1 row having 6 plants. 1 row having 6 plants. Now next one here. Easy tricks. Bunty, I don't know the multiplication table of 7. Bunty says, I don't know the multiplication of table 7. So Guddu says, I know the table till 5. I know the table till 5, but there is an easy trick. There is an easy trick. I can make the table of 7 with the table of 2 and 5. The table of 2 and 5. Now you know about 2 table. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 6s are 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 2 10s are 20. Then 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30, 5 7s are 35, 5 8s are 40, 5 9s are 45, 5 10s are 40. Now this table is 2 table and this table is 5 table. Now we are making here 7 table. We are making here 7 table. So 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. So 7 1s are 7. 4 plus 10. So 14. 7 2s are 14. Then 6 plus 15. 21. So 7 3s are 21. 8 plus 20. 28. 7 4s are 28. 10 plus 25. So 35. 7 5 are 35. 12 plus 30, here 42, that means 7 6 are 42. 14 plus 35, 14 plus 35, 49. So here 7 7s are 49. 16 plus 40, so 56. So 7 8s are 56. 18 plus 45, 63. So 7 9s are 63. 20 plus 40, sorry, here 50. 10 5s are 50. So 20 plus 50, so here 70. So we are making here 7 table, helping with 2 and 5 table. Yes, yeah, no? Yes. We are using 2 and 5 table and make 7 table. It is first. Next one is it a homework. You try with a 3 and 4 table and make 7 table. Okay? It is your homework. Now, next topic. On the page number 123, how many cats? How many cats? Some of Gayatri's cats were playing in a box. Some of Gayatri's cats were playing in a box. When she tried to count, all she could see were legs. All she could see were legs. She counted 28 legs. She counted 28 legs. How many cats are there in the box? How many cats there are in the box? So she counted 28 legs. She counted 28 legs. One cat having 4 legs. One cat having 4 legs. So she counted 28 legs. She counted 28 legs. So 28 divide with 4. 28 divide with 4. So 4 6 are 28 0 0. That means 6 cats in the box. 6 cats in the box. 8 legs means 2 cats. 8 legs means 2 cats. So 12 legs means what? 12 legs means how many cats? 8 legs means 2 cats. So 12 legs means how many cats? So 4 3s are 12. That means 4 cats. 4 cats? No, it is 3 cats are there. One cat having 4 legs. So 3 cats having 12 legs. 3 cats having 12 legs. This topic related here some number story. Billo has kept his chickens in a box. Billo has kept his chicken in a box. He counted 28 legs. He counted 28 legs. How many chickens are there? How many chickens are there? So one chicken have 2 legs. You know, one chicken have 2 legs. So one chickens have 2 legs and she counted 28 legs. So 28 legs is equal to how many chickens? How many chickens? So 28 divided by with 2. 2 ones are 2 0 and then 4 8 down. 2 4s are 8 0. So here 14 chicken. There are 14 chickens in a box. In a box. How many chickens are there? 14 chickens are there. Now next one. Leela has not gone to school for 21 days. Leela has not gone to school for 21 days. For how many weeks was she away from school? For how many weeks was she away from school? So she not gone school. How many days? 21 days. Now 1 week is equal to 7 days. So 21 days is equal to how many week? 21 divide with 7. 7 3s are 21. That means 3 weeks. 3 weeks. So, see, away from school 3 weeks. See, away from school for 3 weeks. Now, next topic, jumping animals. Do you remember the jumping animals of class 3? Do you remember the jumping animals of class 3? A frog jumps 3 steps at a time. For a frog jump 3 steps at a time starting from 0. Count the jumps he takes to reach 27. So, he has taken 27 divided by 3 is equal to blank jump. So, start 0 to 3 jump. 1 jump. Then 1, 2, 3. So, here again 1. Then again here 1, 2, 3. 6 to 9. 1, 2, 3. Again 1, 2, 3. 15, 1, 2, 3. Then 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Again 1, 2, 3. Now we count here how many jumps take and we reach to 27. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we get answer here 9 jumps. We get answer here 9 jumps. He has taken 9 jumps. He has taken 9 jumps. Now, next one here. Neelu bought 15 storybook to her class. Neelu bought 15 storybook to her class. Today, 45 students are present. Today, 45 students are present. How many children will need to share one book? How many children will need to share one book? So, a total storybook 15. Total story book. How many books? 15 books. Then how many students are there? Total students is equal to 45. Now how many children will need to share one book? So to share one book is equal to 45 divided with 15. 45 divided with 15. 15 3s are 45. 0, 0. That means to share one book between 3 students. Between 3 students. To share one book between 3 students. Now next one. You have distributed 72 tomatoes equally in 3 baskets. You have to distribute 72 tomatoes equally in 3 baskets. How many tomatoes will there be in each? How many tomatoes will there be in each? So, total tomatoes is equal to 72. And basket, total basket is equal to 3. Now, equally distribute, that means 72 divided by 3. 3 2s are 6, 1 left. 3 4s are 12, 0, 0. So, in each 24 tomatoes are there. In one basket 24 tomatoes are there. They are equally distributed in 3 baskets. In one basket having 24 tomatoes. Now next topic, children and their grandfather. Rashi, Seema, Mrudul, Rohit and Lokesh ask their grandfather to give them money for the fair. Grandfather says, I have 70 rupees in my pocket. Grandfather says, I have 70 rupees in my pocket. Tell me how to share money equally among all of you. Tell me how to share money equally among all of you. If you are right, you get this money. If you are right, you get this money. One method. Rashi and Seema thought for a while and said, we know how to do 70 divided by 5. We know how to do 70 divided with 5. Seema started writing and says, first I gave Rs 10 rupees each for us. So, first I gave Rs 10 rupees for each. That means 5 tens are 50. Here left 20 rupees. Here left how many rupees? So left 20 rupees. So I have distributed 5 multiplied 10 is equal to 50 rupees. 20 rupees are left. 20 rupees are left. Rishi completes it like this. She says, I gave 4 rupees more to each. I gave 4 more rupees to each. That means 5 4s are 20. So here 0 0. No rupees left here. No rupees left here. And all the money is divided equally. And all the money is divided equally. So each student, each person gets 14 rupees. Each person gets 14 rupees. How many rupees? 14 rupees it gets. Now, another method. Mrudul and Lokesh are trying 70 divided with 5. Mrudul and Lokesh are trying 70 divided with 5 in a different way. Lokesh writes, first I gave rupees 5 to each. First I gave rupees 5 to each. So 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25. So here 5 and 45. How many rupees are left? 45 rupees are left. Then I have distributed 5 multiplied 5 is equal to 25 rupees. Next I give more 6 to everyone. I give more 6 to everyone. So 5 6 are 30. So here 5 and here 5. 15 rupees left. How many rupees left? Here 15 rupees left. Now I am left with a 15 rupees. Now I am left with a 15 rupees. How will Lokesh distribute the rest of the money? How will the Lokesh distribute the rest of the money? Complete it. So now 5 3s are 15. Again he distribute each person 3 rupees. So 5 3s are 15. Now count it. 6 plus 3 9. 9 plus 5 14. Same answer we get it. 14. Every person having 14 rupees get. Every person gets how many rupees? 14 rupees. Another one you try at your home. Thank you students.